So we're in the GE booth here at the show, and we're looking at the four-door refrigerators. Courtney, tell us about these great new four-door units.
Yes. So we are here today to expand our four-door mass premium lineup across cafe and profile. So all of the refrigerators that you know and love today in standard depth, we are here to launch them in counter depth, which has been a long-awaited process.
So show us so from a design aspect, I see we've got handles here, but the handles are integrated.
Absolutely, yeah. So that has been a big winner for us because this is a great ergonomic situation for those people who are a little bit taller, where two handles down here is just not the best for grabbing, for sure.
Yeah, so I also see we've got the water dispenser inside.
Yes, so what's awesome about this is our dual dispense autofill pitcher. This is the largest pitcher in the industry that holds 60 ounces of fresh filtered water. It's the only one with a pourer and a spout. It's BPA-free, dishwasher safe, and this is awesome to go just take filtered water all around your house. So go fill up the back of your coffee maker, top off the dog's water bowl, go take it out to your patio if you're having dinner out there, and then you just put it right in here. You can fit any awkward water bottle under here that you're getting at conventions like this, and it's really great just to have water on the go right here.
Yeah, and it frees up all the space inside here so you can utilize the door shelves.
Yes.
And
yes.
Door and door.
So you've got door and door here, which is awesome to have this nice spin bin here. You can fit gallon milk here. You can fit all of your wine bottles. And what's great about this is you can actually just take this out. So if you're having like chicken tenders, wings, and fries tonight, you've got all your condiments in here. Just take your blue cheese, honey mustard, and ranch over to the table and just pop that right back in.
Innovative solutions. Wow.
And then what's awesome down here is you're picking up a convertible zone. So this is going to be your fridge, your chiller, and your freezer. What's great about this is, if you're used to having a bunch of frozen items, you might just leave this as a freezer year round, but this is great during the holidays when you need extra fridge space for all your leftovers and all the things that you're going to pop in the oven to feed your family.
And I can get this in a counter depth option as well.
Yes, coming in the beginning of the year, you can get this in the counter depth version as well.
Yeah, so that'll just be narrower front to back. It won't be as deep.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yep, you'll get all the same features. You'll still get the big pitcher with the counter depth model. The only thing that you'll get different with the counter depth model is this bin gets a little bit smaller, so you'll no longer have the 12.5 pounds of ice, which is the most ice in the industry.
Okay, great. Thank you, Courtney, for showing us this piece.
Yeah, of course.